Which animal is known for its ability to climb trees? Koala. What animal is known to have the largest eyes? Giant squid. Which animal has the most legs? Millipede. Which animal can change its gender during its life? Clownfish. Which animal is known to have a blue tongue? Blue-tongued skink. Which animal is known for playing dead when threatened? Opossum. What is the main habitat of a camel? Desert. What is the fastest marine mammal? Dolphin. How many answers, right? Like, subscribe and hit the bell to watch new quizzes right away.